Moen offers a wide range of sink sizes and configurations to fit the needs of every homeowner. In this video, we'll demonstrate how fast and easy it is to install our drop-in sink with QuickMount hardware onto a laminate countertop. Follow the same installation steps for other countertop surfaces. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill bit, jigsaw, caulk gun, caulk, tape measure, ruler, pencil, painter's tape, and safety glasses and gloves if desired. Step 2. Measure and cut the hole for the sink. Start by determining where you'd like the sink to be positioned on the countertop. Make sure there's enough clearance on all sides of the sink underneath the countertop. Place the sink upside down with the faucet holes facing away from you. Trace around the edge of the sink. Remove the sink and draw a cut line a 1/4 inch inside the sink outline. If you have a laminate countertop, apply tape on both sides of the cut line to avoid chipping. Drill a pilot hole in each corner. Use a jigsaw to cut the hole. Remove the tape when you're done. Step 3. Attach the sink to the countertop with the QuickMount hardware. Before attaching the sink, you can install the faucet, drain fittings, and any accessories according to manufacturer instructions. If the mounting hardware that came with the sink is not pre-assembled, you must assemble it. Insert a mounting clip on the end of each stud and thread about 2 turns. Do this for all 10 pieces of mounting hardware. Slide the mounting hardware into the sink rails, evenly distributing them on all sides for stable mounting. By placing the QuickMount clips onto the sink rails before installing the sink, you save time that would typically be spent on your back under the countertop, fastening traditional mounting clips. Apply a bead of caulk an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch away from the edge of the countertop opening. Then center the sink into the opening and apply even pressure to all sides. Be sure to tighten the mounting clips in this order. Use the provided Moen installation tool to easily tighten each clip until the sink is drawn down flush to the countertop. Do not over-tighten. As you tighten each QuickMount clip, the innovative twisted shape of the bolt perfectly rotates 90 degrees to securely clamp the sink to the countertop. Remove any excess caulk. Finish up by connecting the faucet and drain fittings according to manufacturer instructions if you haven't already. Congratulations! Your job is complete. Installing a drop-in sink with QuickMount hardware is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services